Hey guys, this is very interesting question. Can you solve 30 minus 5 times 2 plus 10 divided by 5? 30 minus 5 equals 25, right? Times 2 plus 10 divided by 5. Now 25 times 2 equals 50, right? Plus 10 divided by 5. 5. Now 50 plus 10 equals 60 divided by 5. Now 60 divided by 5 equals 12. 12 times 5 equals 60. But this is not correct because multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction, right? So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule or BODMAS rule. Multiplication and division from left to right, and then addition and subtraction, right? So now let's solve it correctly. 30 minus 5 times 2 plus 10 divided by 5. Multiply first. So 30 minus 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 10 divided by 5. Now divide first, right? 30 minus 10 plus 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Now addition and subtraction from left to right. So 30 minus 10 equals 20 plus 2, and 20 plus 2 equals 22.